Now, I can't show you what the trades are, but we have 3 brand new ones for you. One of them is going to be for a 10% profit, one of them is going to be for a 12% profit, and the other one is going to be a 15% profit. This is the largest profit target we've taken in a very long time. The SEC will make their decision on the very first Bitcoin ETF within the next 24 hours, and the crypto market is surprisingly reacting pretty bearish. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about where I think Ethereum is heading depending on what the decision is, whether up or down. Let's get started. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and as a heads up, we have brand new trades for you to check out. We are currently 120 wins with 0 losses and 9 active trades for you. Now, I can't show you what the trades are, but we have 3 brand new ones. One of them is going to be for a 10% profit, one of them is going to be for a 12% profit, and the other one is going to be a 15% profit. This is the largest profit target we've taken in a very long time, so you do not want to miss out on these trades, and do not miss out on the future forecast video out now. Bitcoin ETF approval within 24 hours. Plus, what happens if you sell your crypto for USD and the dollar collapses? This is a real possibility as the United States transitions towards CBDCs. And this is going to be crucial information for anyone worried about that. Do not miss out on those trade setups. Do not miss out on this future forecast. All of this and more available at the links in the description down below with our membership. More on that later. Let's jump into the analysis. We're going to start out with the indicators. I'm looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trades in favor indicators. After a decent move to the upside yesterday, we are seeing a drop and retest once again of this ascending support line. I do not think we're going to break through this. Instead, based on the fact that the price versus one money flow is, I guess it's in the middle of its chart, but low compared to where it was, and trades in favor has a 50% chance of a pump, which is a neutral reading. As long as whales move money into the market, I think the price is going to be supported, and I think we're going to see price moves up. Now, I think whales may take the price as high as $2,448, but this is going to be a retail pump. If the SEC approves the Bitcoin ETF, retail money is going to flood into the market like crazy. I think we're going to break this structure resistance and move as high up as $2,656 before rejecting that and moving back to the downside. Now, I think we're going to move back down because whales are absolutely going to take profit. This is going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type event. Very, very typical for this to happen. And once we see that drop, that's when the really big profits are going to start coming in, especially as we approach the halving event for Bitcoin in April. Now, the other scenario is an SEC rejection of the ETF. If that happens, it'll be a very sharp drop to the downside. Whales are likely going to sell out for a little bit. I think they could take a little bit of profit where they're at in order to drive the price down to around $1,909. This will, of course, scare the retail traders, pushing the price down even further, where whales can buy back up, buy that retail liquidity, and pump the price back up in anticipation for the next ETF decision. Either way, I think we're going to be trading between $1,909 and $2,656 for quite a while. I know this is a really big range. It's like $750 off the top of my head, but this has been a crucial range for quite a while. In fact, we have not broken out of this since we entered in early November. We know from previous ETF releases, especially gold, that we should see upon approval about 2 weeks of a move up, roughly 9 weeks of a drop, followed by around a year worth of recovery, but that was for gold. Gold moves much slower than cryptocurrency does, so I think honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if 2 weeks happened for the move up, but I think the 9-week drop is going to be much shorter, and the recovery is going to be significantly faster as well. If the price moves up, if we get that approval, in order to catch the top, what I'm looking for is price versus one money flow high and trades in favor high. That, and especially if we get a sell signal, all 3 of these should combine to see significant moves back to the downside, especially because on the 1-week time frame, we're already seeing that price versus one money flow high and trades in favor high readings. If we get a sell signal on the 1 week here, that'll also push the price back to the downside. However, if the SEC rejects and we get a price drop, what I'm going to be looking for is price versus one money flow low and trades in favor low to buy that dip. If we get a buy signal, that should be a solid point to enter the market. You can see right here, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, saw that move up. And conversely, price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high with a sell signal, saw a move down. This is extremely consistent, and this is why we're using these indicators to track what happens and help manage the insane volatility in the crypto market, especially as fundamental news like the Bitcoin ETF plays out. Either way, whether it's rejected or approved, this is going to be a historic moment in the crypto history. And with historic moments comes historic price movements. Now, in order to manage the volatility in the market, you need to be paying attention to these indicators. I just showed you how and why we use these indicators so religiously. They have helped us earn 120 wins and 0 losses in our trades, and we have 3 new trades, 9 active total for you to check out. If you want to make these trades yourself, if you want to find your own opportunities and pioneer the crypto market yourself, you're going to want to snag these indicators as fast as possible. The Bitcoin ETF happens within 24 hours, and you need these as this plays out. If you want to get access, I'll help you get up to $550 off now. Check this out. All you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out here really quick. You're going to want to snag the membership first, and that's because members get massive discounts on these indicators. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with the membership than it is without one. I'll go over all these other benefits later in this video. Stay tuned for further analysis. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, click the second link for the indicators. From here, scroll down and access the coupon code at this link. Then click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. To finish up our analysis, we're going to head down to the Ethereum metrics, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. Now, we are currently in neutral territory, bouncing up from anxious. When we hit anxious territory, this is usually when we're going to see moves to the upside, but after that move up, we saw a quick move down, keeping us in neutral. However, it's not usually until we see excited or greedy readings that we're seeing significant moves down, so to me, this is bullish. Next up, I want to show you what whales are likely to do soon. We have very neutral sentiment in the market right now. We had long sentiment just a couple of days ago, but if we see the price rise, we are going to see significant stronger sentiment towards short trades for whales. And if that happens, whales are likely to take short trades. This is normal. As retail money moves into the market, they're going to take advantage of that and use that as exit liquidity to move the price back down, where they're going to short, further profiting on their trades. Whales know how to manipulate the market. They're always going to do it. This shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the Ethereum whale money flow relative to price chart. After maintaining this structure support here, we are seeing a bounce and a move up. As long as whale money continues moving into the market, we should see an increase in price. But if whale money begins dropping and breaks through this support, we should see a drop in price. Easy as that, and last but not least is going to be the Ethereum trade signals chart. We received a sell signal, saw move down, sell signal move down, sell signal move down. Easy repeated pattern. So if the ETF is approved, we get a move up. I'll be looking for another sell signal to call the top. However, if the ETF is rejected and we get a move down, I'll be looking for a buy signal in anticipation of the move up. Now, if you're an Ethereum trader, you need to be paying attention to these metrics every single day. Members get access to the Ethereum metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website, along with future forecast videos, trade setups, morning brew overview, inner circle live Zoom hangouts, and more. All of that included in a membership, once again, at the link in the description down below. Refer back to the indicator tutorial if you want to see how to purchase. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the future forecast videos. Don't miss out.